at the pharmacy.
Next, please.
I need cough medicine.
Do you have a prescription?
No, just over the counter.
How bad is your cough?
Pretty bad at night.
I recommend this one.
Does it make you sleepy?
Yes, a little.
That's okay.
Take it before bed.
How much?
$12.
Do you have a smaller bottle?
Yes, $8.
I'll take the small one.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Complaining about noise.
Hi, can I talk to you?
Sure, what's up?
Your music is very loud,
Oh, I'm sorry.
especially at night.
I didn't realize.
Can you turn it down?
Of course, I'll keep it lower.
I appreciate that.
What time is too late?
After 10 p.m.
Got it. I'll remember.
Thank you for understanding.
No problem. Sorry again.
It's okay.
Have a good evening.
You too.
Asking about Wi-Fi.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, it's free.
What's the password?
It's on the menu.
Where exactly?
Bottom of the back page.
Found it. Thanks.
Is it working?
Yes, connected now.
Good. Can I get you anything?
A latte, please.
Small or large?
Large.
Coming right up.
Thank you.
At the bank.
How can I help you?
I want to open an account.
Checking or savings?
Checking.
Do you have ID?
Yes, here's my passport.
Perfect. And proof of address?
A utility bill, okay?
Yes, that works.
Here you go.
How much do you want to deposit?
$200.
Cash or check?
Cash.
Your card will arrive in 1 week.
By mail?
Yes.
Thank you.
Lost phone.
Excuse me, you dropped this.
Oh my God, my phone.
It fell out of your bag.
I didn't notice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I just bought it yesterday.
Lucky I saw it.
You saved me.
Is everything okay?
Yes, no cracks.
Good.
Can I buy you coffee?
No need.
Please, I insist.
Okay, that's kind.
There's a cafe here.
Sure, let's go.
Weather small talk.
Nice weather today.
Yes, finally sunny.
It rained all week.
I know, so grey.
Do you like rain?
Not really.
Me neither. Too cold.
Summer is better.
Agreed. When does it start?
In 2 months.
Can't wait.
Me too.
Are you going anywhere?
Maybe the beach.
Sounds nice.
Yeah, you.
Visiting family?
Have fun.
At the laundromat.
Need help?
Yes. Which machine for colours?
Any machine works.
How much?
$3.
Do you have change?
Yes. What do you have?
A $10 bill.
Here's your change. 10 quarters.
How many quarters do I need?
12 quarters.
Oh, not enough.
I'll give you 2 more.
Thank you.
The dryer is $2.
How long does it take?
30 minutes.
Perfect.
Job interview.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
Tell me about yourself.
I just graduated.
What did you study?
Marketing.
Any experience?
Yes, an internship last summer
Where?
at a tech company.
What did you do?
Social media management.
Did you like it?
Very much.
Why this job?
I like your company's mission.
When can you start?
Immediately.
We'll call you next week.
Thank you.
Returning shoes.
Can I help you?
I want to return these shoes.
What's wrong with them?
They're too small.
Did you wear them?
Just to try?
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here.
Bought 3 days ago.
Can I exchange them?
For a bigger size.
Yes, size 9.
Let me check. Yes, we have it.
Perfect.
Here you go.
Should I try them now?
If you want.
After trying.
These fit. Thank you.
Great.
At a food truck.
What can I get you?
What do you recommend?
The tacos are amazing.
How many come?
3 tacos.
What meat?
Chicken, beef or pork.
I'll try chicken.
Mild or spicy.
Mild, please.
Drink?
Just water.
That's $8.
How long?
5 minutes.
I'll wait here.
Name?
Tom.
Okay, Tom.